Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about what is private flood insurance. Well, private flood insurance is kind of a unique product that's come along in the last 15, 20 years, let's say. What it is it's private flood insurance that is backed by certain insurance companies. You know, a lot of these are backed by Lloyd's of London, which is a group of companies or investors out of London. Lexington is another one that it's backed by. But what's really important to understand here is even though you see a Lloyd's on there, you see a Lexington on there, maybe private flood declines you. That doesn't mean that those two companies declined you. It might mean the insurance broker declines you. So it's very important to understand on private flood is because they've told you no. All they are is basically the backer. It's up to that independent broker depending on what risk they want to take on. So don't just give up. We hear from customers all the time say, hey, I don't have access to private flood because I had a flood loss, which isn't true. Or private flood just isn't going to work for me because the rates I keep getting are higher. Well, the way it works with Lloyd's of London, they have different contracts. Just like Lexington, they have different contracts with different companies. So those rates could be different depending on the risk. There's also a few companies out there that handle the flood insurance themselves. And we have access to some of those companies here. But so we really want to just talk about what private flood is and that it's backed by these companies, these individual companies. And because of that, they can offer some coverages that aren't normally available out there, like a lot more than the $250,000 on buildings, more than $100,000 on contents, additional living expenses, replacement costs, even pool coverage. And one of the reasons they can do this is they do use some advanced technology that the National Flood Insurance Program doesn't that helps them analyze flood risk a little bit better. So if you've got questions about flood insurance, maybe private flood insurance is right for you, please reach out to us. FloodInsuranceGuru.com. Go to our YouTube and our Facebook channel, The Flood Insurance Guru, where we do our daily flood education videos. Or give us a call, 205-451-4294. Thank you.